Assalamu alaikum everyone. I'm your teacher Miss Sidwat. Today we are going to memorize and practice of third kalma. The name of the third kalma is Tamjeed. And we will practice and memorize third kalma in 3 parts with English translation. So today we will do the part 1. Now listen the recitation of third kalma with English translation.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم
سبحان الله والحمد لله.
Glory be to Allah and praise to Allah. Repeat it. Glory be to Allah and praise to Allah. I hope you will understand it. Now your homework is you have to memorize it, practice it at home, and take care. Allah Hafiz. Bye-bye.